Hi everyone, this is Ellie at Crafty Blue. In today's video, I'll be making a pendant for a necklace, and I'll be using washi tape that I purchased off of Temu.com about a year ago. I looked on Temu.com to see if they still had the same washi tape. I scrolled 3 pages. I didn't see it on the 3 pages that I scrolled. But there's plenty of other pretty washi tapes out there. So it just really depends on what you like. I'm going to put a clear layer of glue over the top of these because I'm going to seal them in resin. I'm cutting each tape out, and then I'm going to cut it to fit inside the cavities on the mold. The resin I'm using today is Brilliant Resin, and it's made by littlewindows.com. I was really impressed how clear this resin is. I really like it. When you're mixing this resin, you use 2 parts of part A with 1 part of part B. And you mix it for about 5 minutes and then let it set a few minutes to let the bubbles die down. But if you stir it real gently, you won't get as many bubbles. The resin looks pretty good, and I did stir mine kind of fast, but I'm not seeing any bubbles in it. The first paper I should have put face down, but I forgot. So the other papers, I am putting them face down in the mold. Now I'm trying to get the papers centered in the cavity. I am pouring a layer of resin over the papers so they'll be sandwiched in between the resin. I let this set and dry overnight before I took these out. Okay, what do you think? Do you like them? If you do, let me know what your favorite is in the comments below. I am gluing a bell onto the back of the pendant so I can hang it on a neck chain. I let the glue dry for a few hours, and now I can hang it on the neck chain. Okay, everybody. Well, thanks for watching. And don't forget to let me know what you think about it. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.